Welcome guys to another brand new video, and I'm gonna show you in this video that Pokemon Go can be played in India or any other unreleased countries. Okay, so and I'm also gonna show you the hack of Pokemon Go. Like, you're gonna sit down on a table and walk yourself in the mobile. Okay, so let's get started. Just go to the first link in the description. Okay, it's APK mirror, or you can type in the Chrome or supported browser in your mobile and type Pokemon Go APK. The first link will come to APK mirror, because tap on that because it is the trusted website for Pokemon Go. So as I am in the APK mirror, as you can see APK mirror, I'm going to give the link. Okay, so you just need to show you like this type of will come. Okay, so you just need to select the first version in all versions. It's October 13 and download APK. Tap on that. I've already downloaded the APK. Okay, and it's trusted. If it tells this can harm your device, please don't trust it, because I've already downloaded it and it will not at all harm your device. So let's get started. In your downloads, so as you can see, my Pokemon Go is installed here. Okay, so the next step to hack your Pokemon Go, you just need to go to the second link in the description, or you could go to the Play Store. Okay, and search Fly GPS. Okay, so just wait. Fly GPS, or search it. Just search Fly GPS. Okay, so it will come. Okay, so you need to just go to Play Store and the link in the description, and it will be like this: Fly GPS. So there will be a time clock and some wings. My internet is slow, so I cannot show you. Okay, so just download it, and after that I will try showing you it. Wait, retry. Yeah, it's come. So there are two. Okay, so which you will choose is wait, there are two, but I'm gonna show you the true Fly GPS. Okay, so wait a second. My apps and plus installed. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I think it is removed. Fly GPS is removed, so it will be hard to find Fly GPS. Okay, so I think it is removed. So I will choose a nice Fly GPS for you. Wait, Fly GPS, or it is called as fake GPS. There is no trusted. Uh, or you could use this app, fake GPS location spoofer free. These are trusted. So tap on install and install it. Okay. So let's get started. Just go to Pokemon Go as we installed it and see it is in. So you need to just go to Pokemon Go. Okay, just go to Pokemon Go. After downloading the Fly GPS or fake location GPS spoofer. Okay, so it is opening in any attic, as you tell, as I told you. So the theme song as you can listen. So I'm gonna not show my Pokemon Trainer Club. I'm gonna sign in with Google. Okay. So I'm signing in. It will take some time to register with your Google account or link with your Google account. Okay. So just wait for a while. I'm gonna pause the video until it loads. Okay. So you cannot be waiting. It is open, guys. It is open. Pokemon Go is ready now. So as you can see, I'm walking it in India. I've hacked the location as you can see now, and I'm walking as you can see. So can I show you a hack? Okay, let's show you. Let I show you. Okay. So just go to Fly GPS as I told you, and type the most trusted Dallas, Texas search. Results found. So just go to that GPS service run. Joystick location mode Pokemon. Okay. It it only works in 6.0 Marshmallow. Okay, so use it only. So as you can see, I'm here at Dallas, Texas, and there's a hack. You can see the joystick on my left side. Okay, so the hack works. The hack works. See the Pokeballs, the egg. The hack works now. The hack really works. It is amazing. If some Pokemon come, I'm gonna catch it. It's amazing. It's working hack. As you can see. Please note that it's only works in 6.0 Marshmallow. Okay, not Jelly Bean or Kit Kat or Lollipop. It tries Lollipop can see. I've not I've not tested Lollipop. It can work, but if you have Lollipop, you can try it. If it doesn't work, so you can be understood. See, Pokeballs and Pokeballs. So that's for it. And I'm level up 3. Wow. So goodbye guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. It is Sudhir Uttam and like it. Thank you. Bye bye.